My name's Graham Morrison. I'm the editor of a computer magazine called Linux Voice, a magazine that's completely independent, put together by just 5 of us, that we actually crowdfunded just a couple of years ago. But I'm not here to talk about Linux Voice. I'm here because me and the team would like to try something new, something we're really excited about. And I think the best person to introduce this idea is my 8-year-old daughter, Eden.
This is Grace and this is Alan. Grace and Alan are just like my best friends. They love to learn, they like to push themselves and do cool things, and they aren't afraid to try anything new.
We want to create a children's book we're calling Beep Yarr, a children's book to help kids discover the world of computers. A book about Grace and Alan and their robot, Tinker. Like any good robot, Tinker is controlled by a computer. He can't think for himself, but Grace and Alan, with our help, can tell him exactly what to do and how to do it. He's limited only by their imagination, which pretty much means he can do anything. We want our book to tell the story of Grace, Alan and Tinker, whilst at the same time introducing some simple, fundamental concepts to how computers work. We want our story to inspire kids to learn about code. And while we're not going to put code into the story itself, we're going to use the story to introduce many of the ideas you actually use while programming. Things like logic and conditions, flow control, and breaking complicated problems down into smaller parts. And to do this effectively, we're going to take those ideas out of the book and augment each chapter with an interactive element that you and your children can both use online, on a laptop, on a smartphone, on a tablet, to put some of those ideas into practice. We want to create an awesome adventure storybook that introduces some of the concepts behind programming and combine this with an interactive website where those ideas can be put into practice.
A mixture of learning and adventure, programming with a story.
We can get Beep Yarr into your hands by the end of July, which in the UK is just in time for the school holidays, a time when you and your children can read together and play with computers together and discover programming together. Whether it's for your children, your niece or nephews, other children you know, please consider backing Beep Yarr. And together, I think we'll all create something awesome.